In this video, we're looking at other costs in Xperdyte Manufacturing Software. We'll explain what other costs are, when to use them, how to create a new cost code, and finally how to add the cost to a bill of materials. Manufacturing costs are made up of more than just materials. Operational overheads such as electricity, labor, machine time, and external services all contribute to the true manufacturing cost of a product. Capturing these costs during manufacturing gives you more accurate production records before the information is posted back to your accounting system. Other costs are used for operational expenses that don't belong under work centers, labor teams, or buyouts. Typical examples include electricity recovery, consumables, delivery charges, quality testing, cleaning costs, or any other manufacturing expense you want to recover during production. One of the biggest advantages is that each cost code can be linked to its own general ledger account for detailed financial reporting. Begin by navigating to the menu panel on the left side of the interface to create your new code. Locate the Cost Types section, expand Other Costs, and then select Other Cost Codes. To start a fresh record, click the Add button on the top toolbar. Enter a short descriptive code together with a meaningful description. Keep the code simple, and avoid spaces or special characters where possible. Next, add the unit cost, then select the general ledger account that will receive the manufacturing transaction. Remember, this account must already exist in your accounting system, and must also be approved inside Xperdyte before it becomes available for selection. Next, choose whether the cost is variable or fixed. Variable costs increase as production increases. Electricity consumption is a good example, because producing more products generally uses more electricity. Fixed costs stay the same regardless of production quantity. For example, if an industrial oven runs for 90 minutes, whether it contains 10 products or 100 products, the operating cost stays the same for that production cycle. Depending on your manufacturing process, you may also use additional options. Whole units only is useful for costs that cannot be divided into fractions, such as pallets. Other advanced options are available for specialized manufacturing environments, but most manufacturers can leave these at their default values. Once your cost code has been created, open Maintain Bill of Materials and load the required bill of materials. Navigate to the Other Costs section, click Add, select the cost code, and enter the required quantity or calculation values. Save the bill of materials to include the cost in future works orders. You now know what other costs are, when they should be used, how to create a new master code, and how to add the cost to a bill of materials. Correctly configuring these costs helps ensure manufacturing overheads are included in your production costing, and are allocated to the correct general ledger accounts in your accounting system. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact the Xperdyte support team at info@xperdyte.co.za.